My name is Burnetta. I am the Bougie Cheapskate, and I have champagne and caviar taste on a tap water and soda cracker budget. Yeah, that's me. Typical of many. Hopefully, those of you who are like me, who choose to join and watch these videos, will find things that are helpful and will share things that you've learned along the way to help me. This channel is about inspiration, motivation, improvement, and conversations. I hope to motivate you with my cleaning videos and my frugal living practices. I plan to inspire you to design your space in this world, no matter how humble, to be an expression of yourself, to be chic, stylish, or as simple and practical as you want it to be. I challenge you to improve yourself with self-directed learning, diet and exercise changes, and beauty-related hair, makeup, fashion, anything to make yourself feel good and feel better. Lastly, I will share all the things that bounce around in this head of mine about life, love, relationships, parenting, just life in general, so that we can get this worldwide conversation started and just help each other improve and become the people that we want to be. Thank you so much for watching. Click like if you enjoy this video and the topics that I've introduced. Subscribe to join the tribe. And ring the bell for future content. Comment to join the conversation, and then share these videos with your friends and family. Until next time, be blessed.